How you can make money online for free without investment, and you can start today. The strategy that I want to share with you today I have tested for myself and I have made some money online. As you can see, this is my first order on the platform called Fiverr.com. If you don't know Fiverr, it's a simple platform when you find a ton of freelancer, and as you can buy stuff and buy products and services from other people, you can also sell your own services to the people that need. On the example that you have seen on the screen, it's a workout program because I really enjoyed fitness, but I said I can help more people and make some money by creating workout plans for other people at home. So I started to create my workout plan and then I registered myself to Fiverr.com, and after a few days I've got my first order. As you have seen, it's just $5, but if you think that growing you can earn just $5 a day, $5 an hour, you can make a lot more money. And you can price your service with the amount of money that you want. So the first thing that you need is a skill, one or multiple skill. For example, if you are good to create workout plans, you can sell that. If you are good to creating maybe images on Photoshop, create video editing, create thumbnails, create canvas, create copywriting, or just create a website, you can do everything. And then once you have shown your skill, you should really be able that you can deliver a good product. So for example, you can create a test where you take an imaginary client and you create a work for them. So you can show the work to other people and see if other people will say that it's a good job or bad job. If you're working really well, you are ready to go on the platform. Once you are on the platform, you simply create your gig, it's called, where you add your title and all the services that you provide to your clients. For example, all the details, the price, the time, and all the variables that are involved in your project. And by doing this, you create pretty much a setup for your work, and then it's easy like a search engine. People go on Fiverr and search for people that has the skills that they need, and then they can find you, and if you are good reviews and a good description for your job, they will contact you and maybe ask you information or even just buy the product. For me, it's the easiest and the fastest way that you can make money online as a freelancer, and you don't need to spend a ton of time or a ton of hours about training. But the best part is that you can do it without investment. You can choose your prices and the platform will take just a few dollars of commission, but you will see that you can make money online and pretty much easily. Just make sure to create the best product for your clients. And the last bonus tip on how you can get more sales and get more people to know about your products is to share your gig, share your services on social media. Share on your personal page what you do, because maybe people in your friends need your skills and they will contact you through Fiverr and pay you. Or even you can create a page. For example, if you're good to editing image on Photoshop, you can create an Instagram page where you show the before and after to people, and then like link in bio, you have your Fiverr gig, and once a day or maybe a few times a week you tell people if they want to edit their picture. It's simple, click the link in bio and they will go to your gig on Fiverr. So I hope that you start today, not tomorrow, today, to make some money online by registering on Fiverr.com, creating your account and start selling. I hope you enjoyed this video, but don't close, watch this video here. It's for you and it will help you to grow your business, make more money and grow yourself. I hope you enjoyed this video, click the like button and subscribe. I see you in the next video.